coffee is made. I could really see us using this on the road, especially when you're expediting, you want to make some of your own coffee. It could be a perfect cup of coffee. There you have it, guys. Hello guys, and welcome to Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this French coffee press. This is supposed to be kind of like a portable version, especially if you're traveling, and this is kind of like high interest to me. This is why I actually got it. It makes like 12 ounces of coffee, just what you need when you're actually working away here at all the videos like I do here in my studio. So let's go ahead and actually unbox it and show you what it has inside. Obviously, very nicely packaged, and look, you get this cute individual size type of cup, perfect for your latte or your macchiato or like a coffee. So like in today's video, we're gonna actually make a latte. I do love the experience of drinking like anything, whether it's tea or coffee. That's why I got like these very nice cups, and this very nice individual size, coffee press here. So let's go ahead and get it out of the bubble wrap and check it out. Have you ever seen anything like it for coffee? I've seen it for tea before. I didn't know you could actually make coffee out of it, but let's go ahead and actually pull it out. It's got this very fine coffee type of strainer. So we're gonna drop some coffee inside, put some boiling water over top of it, and go ahead and press some coffee and see what it's gonna be like. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and brew us some coffee. We're going to remove this strainer right here, and we're going to add like 3 teaspoons of this coffee grounds. Now it is recommended to add like coarsely ground coffee, because the finer stuff will probably clog it up. Now we're actually going to go ahead and actually add some hot water. It's recommended to pour at 45 degrees. I don't see any difference, and leave about 1 inch from the top. So that's about 1 inch, right a little bit below the metal. It's recommended to serve with a wooden spoon, but we're gonna do the classic metal type of spoon. So that's about good. It actually mixes itself really nicely. So we want to actually have this thing sit for about 4 minutes. Probably for better results, we should just go ahead and actually close the lid just a little bit. So we're gonna put the timer and we'll be back. Well guys, 4 minutes have passed. So let's go ahead and actually press this. You want to kind of do it slowly. You don't want to do it too fast. So we're just gonna press it down. And now let's pour ourselves a cup. Wow guys, it actually worked. Coffee is made. I could really see us using this on the road, especially when you're expediting, you want to make some of your own coffee instead of going to all the coffee shops. And it actually makes a perfect size cup. And here's why guys, because we're going to be adding some froth to it. But let me give this a tiny stir here. And look at this guys. This is going to be a perfect cup of coffee. And there you have it guys. So guys, now let's actually test what the coffee actually tastes like. Guys, this is actually a very good coffee, believe it or not. I'm actually making myself a second cup. I gotta edit some videos here, and this is just perfect. Delicious. Guys, I do want to say, if you're somebody like an expediter, save yourself a few bucks on actually going to all the coffee shops and, getting coffee. I didn't know it was this easy to brew coffee until I actually seen this on Amazon. And I'm like, what? This is 14 bucks? I could save that in a week just by not going to like coffee shops to buy coffee, because we are constantly buying coffee and buying coffee and buying coffee from coffee shops when we're driving. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna be enjoying this cup of coffee, but until next time, thank you so much for watching and appreciate you guys all the time. God bless you. Stay safe on your trips and on the road. And let me know if you actually have one or if you're actually gonna be picking one up, like in the comments below. But if you're looking for this, it's right in the description, guys. There's the link. Take care, guys. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old. And yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.